video, I'm going to show you how to add elements in the DOM and rearrange the content. So we're going to add 3 sections in the main here. So I'm going to click expand my main element in the DOM and then select it so that I can insert a child. The child is going to be section. The section is a structural element. And then I'm going to drag this heading 2 into that section element. And you can see my code change as I do that. I'm also going to drag and drop the unordered list that's associated with that section. So now I've got a section element that nests inside the main and spans around my classwork. So really important here, we want to make sure that that section closing tag is right before the next heading 2. And we're going to remove that placeholder text. So let's do that again for the lab work. So let's insert a child here. Oops, not of the heading 2. Watch out, when you insert element unnecessarily, you can select it, then use your delete key to delete it. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to insert after here my section. I'm going to insert after another section element, and then I'm going to drag the heading 2 up and into that section and drag my unordered list below it. So you should have heading 2 and unordered list showing up on the same level of hierarchy under the section. We'll do that one more time. So insert after section element, and then keeping the heading 2 above the associated unordered list. So again, some dragging and dropping is required, and of course, patience. So you should have 3 sections now, and we're going to remove that extra placeholder text. And in code view, you can see I've got 3 sections that start and end directly one after another.